Jai Hind everyone. This is Umesh Kunyal, Course Coordinator of Merchant Navy. As you know that Doon Defence Academy has been preparing students for Merchant Navy apart from the defence courses and given number of selections. And last IMU-CT, number of students got clear IMU-CT and got good rank. And as you know that Doon Defence Academy has been conducting the recruitment drive and campus selection by different world-class shipping companies and IMU affiliated colleges. Today with me, one of our DDA students of Merchant Navy of the last batch. Presently, he has been doing the DNS course with Samudra Institute of Marine Studies. I welcome the Archit. Welcome you here, Doon Defence Academy. Can you share some experience
Yes, sir.
about yourself, how you are prepared in Doon Defence Academy for the particular IMU-CT followed by the company sponsorship?
Yes, sir. Sir, I am here since previous batch. In previous batch, Samudra Institute came here for campus drive, and I have been selected by the campus drive itself here. And currently, I am pursuing my DNS course from Samudra Institute of Maritime Studies, and I recommend the new youngster to join DDA as it is a great platform to join Merchant Navy and for the IMCT and sponsorship preparation.
Okay, basically you have given so many IMU-CT entrance tests here in, during that you are very in the classes here.
Yes, sir.
Do you think that these mock tests are very useful for candidates?
Yes, sir. Actually, these mock tests are very useful because most of the question in IMCT have same like in the mock test.
Yes.
So these are very useful, and for the sponsorship also.
Okay. Have you taken some interview preparation here?
Yes, sir.
On
From
regular
the
basis?
SSB coordinator, sir, I have taken the interview preparation.
Okay, good. Okay, dear student, basically those are looking forward to join Merchant Navy as a bright career. As you know that Doon Defence Academy has announced the dates of new batches for IMU-CT June 2025 for August batch for Diploma Nautical Science course, BSc Nautical Science and BTech Marine. The batches are going to start from 6 January. If you are looking forward, you can log in Doon Defence Academy website www.doondefenceacademy.com for the complete information and registrations. And you are feel free to contact on given number. And on behalf of Doon Defence Academy, we congratulate you once again for your future career.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do well. What I'm telling you, whatever you have been learning during the DNS course in SIMS, this is the one of the best institute and best company.
Yes,
Okay, do well. Just hard work for your all the navigation subject like general navigation, stability, cargo work. Okay, and get the good academic merit list from there.
Yes, sir.
It will help you for your SIP training.
Yes, sir.
You know you will be going for the 18-month SIP training.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Archit, all the best. And one day we want to see you as the captain.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All the best.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.